Hello, morning all. Myself VK Vamshi. I am working in Vihan Kia Auto Ventures Private Limited. Vihan Kia is having two branches in Hyderabad. One is in Secunderabad, which is opposite to Rail Nilayam, and one is in Kukatpalli, Y Junction. And I am working in Vihan Kia Kukatpalli since last 1 year. So I am very happy with working in Vihan Kia. I feel Vihan Kia is my family because I spend most of the time in Kia only, because I am working with Vihan Kia from last 1 year. They treat me as like their family member. They guide me in every way, like the things where I goes wrong, they teach me to how to correct them, and they teach me how to interact with the customers, how to grab customers attractive to this Vihan Kia. And Vihan Kia is having a service center which is very near to Kukatpalli showroom, which is very walkable distance. And today I am going to introduce, I would like to tell you about the most successful car in Kia, which is Kia Seltos. So here is the Kia Seltos. Kia Seltos is having with 16 variants. One is the topmost car is GTX Plus. So this is the GTX Plus variant, where the GTX Plus variant is the top end car in Kia Seltos. So today I would like to explain the details about the GTX Plus variant, which is the top end car in Seltos. So Seltos is the GTX Plus variant. In the front profile of the car comes with crown jewel LED headlamps with multi-layer indicators and sweeping LED light bars. So in night time the DRL comes till the logo of the Kia, which gives you very luxury look. And in front profile you will be coming ice cubic LED fog lamps with front parking sensors and signature tiger nose grille, which gives you a very luxury look. Profile of the car comes with 17-inch crystal cut alloy wheels, and the ground clearance of the car is 190 mm, and turning indicators will be on ORVMs, which is electrically, the glass can be electrically adjustable and the glass can be electrically foldable. And this comes with roof rails and chrome finished door handles with chrome door belts. And rear profile of the car comes with shark fin antenna and rear spoiler with rear defogger and rear wiper, with rear parking camera and rear parking sensors with dual muffler design. So Kia Seltos comes with a rear profile also very neat looking with dual muffler design, which gives you a completely sportive look to the car. And boot space of the car comes with 433 liters of the boot space, which is very massive. With comparatively, if you're comparing with other cars, this comes with 433 liters of the boot space. And we are having a boot lamp over here, which is very convenient to install a features in night time also. They are having a boot lamp, and this comes with a partial shelf and rear passenger seat. It is coming with rear sunshade curtains, which is very convenient in summers. And in Kia Seltos GTX Plus variant, it is coming with smart air purifier, which is very required nowadays. If you talk about COVID time or anyways, it is very safety feature wise, we are coming with a smart air purifier and rear AC vents. And we are coming with interior wise, it comes with an LED light system, which gives you a premium look to the car in night time also. Now I would like to explain the features of Kia Seltos, the badass by design interior wise. If you talk about the interior, this gives you a very luxury look, which comes with push start and stop button and the cluster design, and this 10.25-inch Bose Premium 8-speaker music system, fully automatic climatic control, AC controls, and audio controls will be on steering mode. And the luxurious feature which we can feel in from inside interior wise, this vehicle comes with 360-degree camera and heads-up display to navigate, to give the navigation directions to the passengers who drives the car. This is the 8-inch heads-up display in the car, which comes in GTX Plus variant. and this is a 10.25-inch infotainment system, as smart as we can use this as our mobile phone. The touch is very convenient, and this comes with like plenty of features with sound mood lights. The Bose Premium 8 speaker music system comes with like Bose sound mood lights, where depends on your volume base, the mood lights glows over the speakers, thus give you a very luxury with a party mood customers at the night times. And this comes with like complete leather seats with 6 airbags, and this is a front 2 seats are ventilated air seats, which is very convenient feature when we goes to a long drive. Usually customers feel a sweaty thing in the backstage because they usually travels a long journey. So this car comes with front 2 seats are ventilated air seats, where the AC comes, a cooling system comes with the seats also. And this car comes with like rear view monitoring, so this helps you like when you are driving in our city conditions. Nowadays Hyderabad also growing with like huge traffic, so this feature is convenient. When you are driving the car, you can on your rear view camera and you can grab the things like where the like in traffic ways where the things are like near to the distance, so which is a very convenient feature. And this car comes with front parking sensors also, and this comes with like wireless mobile charger and fully automatic climatic control AC, and the audio controls will be on steering wheel. The steering can be tilt and telescopic adjustable thing, and the vehicle is coming with UVO Connect, where the car is connected with your phone. Through phone you can access your like car, like engine on and start option, and AC on and off, air purifier on and off. And this comes with like a sunglass holder with sunroof. And this is the manual one. And Seltos GTX Plus variant comes with what like a 1.4 liter engine, which generates a bhp of like 140 ps at 6000 rpm, and it comes with like initial torque with 242 Nm torque at 500 to 3200 rpm. And this is a turbocharged engine with its GDI technology, gasoline direct injecting system. And in Seltos there are 3 engine options, whereas in petrol you will be getting a 2 engine options. One is 1.5 liter engine that comes with like HTE, the starting variant of the car, HTK, HTK Plus and HTX and HTX IVT, an automatic one. And here we are seeing 1.4 liter turbo engine, where you comes with like 3 variants: GTX, GTX Plus and GTX Plus 7 DCT, that is an automatic, so which is a fully top end one. In Seltos, if you talk about a diesel variants, HTE, HTK, HTK Plus and HTX, HTX Plus. And if you are going looking in like GT variant, you're looking in a diesel variant that comes in only automatic version, GTX Plus 80. So this car comes with like 8 color options. One is like glacier white pearl, clear white and steel silver, aurora black pearl and blue color and orange. In GTX Plus you will be getting a 360-degree camera. One camera is placed in front view, which is at grill, tiger nose grill. One more camera is installed at side ORVM. Second one, and the third one is at the rear. And the fourth camera, the same ORVM at right. So completely 360-degree camera view. And in infotainment system you will be getting a top view also, which is a graph view. These 4 cameras we will taking a graph and that shows from a top view. In GT line, to give a customer more sporty feel, in GT line the caliber comes with a red mode and this red wheel hub, and the red linings comes over the side profile of the car and rear. Only in GT you will be getting a red straps, and in GT you will be getting a black interior. In GT you will be getting a black interior which gives you a more sportive look and sportive pedals. And the driver seat of GTX Plus variant is electrically adjustable. And here is the features of the car and the variants in the Kia. And Kia came in India a year ago. So in pan India, Kia stands now in third position. As you can see, every day we receive a footfall of like near to 160 to 180 in showroom. As you can see the customers as of now, and in sales wise, every day we receive near to like 15 bookings of Seltos, and Carnival minimum 1 booking. And that is the thing. And in every branch, Kia employee system is very high because of the footfall. We received like near to, as I told you, near to like 160 to 180 footfalls we will be receiving. So according to that footfall, Kia is having a staff of like minimum 25 to 30 members. In that, executives will be near to 22 members. As on Kukatpalli, if you talk about a Kukatpalli executive wise, we are executives of like 22 members over here.